Welcome to this demonstration of a modern pleated filter cartridge production line. In this video, we will walk through the complete manufacturing process, from raw filter media to finished pleated filter cartridges used in industrial filtration systems. The process begins with high-quality filtration media. Materials such as polypropylene, polyester, or glass fiber are prepared and fed into the pleating machine. The purpose of pleating is to increase the filtration surface area, allowing higher flow rates and better filtration efficiency. Once the media is pleated, it is formed into a cylindrical shape to create the body of the filter cartridge. Supporting components such as inner cores or outer cages may be added to provide strength during operation. Next comes one of the most critical stages, attaching the plastic basic end caps. Advanced infrared basic end cap welding machines from INDRO heat the plastic end caps evenly and bond them securely to the filter cartridge body. After basic end cap welding, next step is length joint welding. It is connecting 10-inch filters together to get 20-inch, 30-inch, and 40-inch long filter cartridges. Last step is welding adapters on 2 filter cartridges. With advanced control and stable heating technology, it ensures strong joints, consistent adapter connections, and high production efficiency, making INDRO filter length joints and adapter welders the smart choice for modern filtration manufacturers. Quality control ensures that every filter cartridge meets strict industrial standards for sealing, structural integrity, and filtration performance. Finished pleated filter cartridges are widely used in water treatment, food processing, pharmaceuticals, and chemical filtration. This automated production line demonstrates how modern manufacturing equipment can improve efficiency, consistency, and product quality in filtration cartridge production. Contact with us for more filter making technology.